Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the Pipfinite Trend Pro Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This premium trend tool is designed to identify and confirm market direction and show potential entry and exit zones with clear visual signals. In this tutorial, you will learn what it focuses on, how its signals are displayed, and how we can adapt to different trading styles. Pipfinite Trend Pro is a custom indicator for MetaTrader 4 and 5 built to identify trends and signal potential entry and exit points. It uses a proprietary algorithm based on a combination of moving averages and other technical indicators such as the Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD. Its aim is to filter out noise and present high probability trend signals with a clear visual bias on the chart. As you can see on the chart after I've loaded it, the Pipfinite Trend Pro plots buy and sell signals aligned with its internal trend logic. It uses a color-coded system to show bullish and bearish trend conditions so traders can quickly see the current market bias. As you can see on the chart, here green for an uptrend and orange for a downtrend. Yeah. Signals are generated only when certain conditions are met, with the algorithm taking volatility and momentum into account to reduce noise compared to basic trend tools. The indicator includes adjustable settings so traders can tune sensitivity and signal filters to fit scalping, day trading, swing trading, or longer term approaches. These settings let you decide whether to capture smaller, more frequent moves or focus on stronger, longer trends. As you can see here, its target factor, its maximum history bar, its period of length, and other details such as its graphic, TP display, miscellaneous, among others. It is explicitly described as a non-repainting tool, meaning that once a signal prints, it does not change afterwards. Pipfinite Trend Pro is intended for both beginners and experienced traders who want structured, rule-based trend analysis with clear visual cues. Despite the advanced algorithm, it cannot remove the risk of false or losing signals, and results will always depend on market conditions and traders' discipline. It is designed to be part of a complete approach that includes risk management and, where desired, extra confirmation tools. You can download Pipfinite Trend Pro for MT4 and 5 using the link in the description below. This has been a concise breakdown from the Forex Geek on how the indicator defines trend direction and delivers its non-repainting signals. If you like focus looks at premium trend tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more videos.